Today we're learning how to make a cool grid layout for your website. It's important for bloggers, photographers, and business owners because it makes your site look great and easy to use. Let's start making your website look awesome. First, you can add a query loop block inside a group block. You have the freedom to select any query loop pattern you desire. Once you've configured the query loop block, you can further customize the appearance of your post grid. You can adjust settings such as column layout, image size, typography, etc. Add a cover block to the post template and set the feature image on it. Then, customize it according to your preference. Select the title, excerpt, and date blocks together and transform them into a group block. Give some space around the group and remove the space above and below it. Select the post title block and then set the typography and text color as you like. Select the block for the post excerpt and set the max number of words to your desired amount. And customize the style of the excerpt block as you like. Select the post date block and move it upwards. Add a Read More block below the post excerpt block. Choose the group block below the cover block, then turn off the option. Inner blocks use content width. Set the color, typography, spacing, and border radius for the Read More block as you like. Select the group block below the post template block. Open the sidebar panel and remove the spacing of the group block. Add a 1px border and a 10px border radius to the group block. Next, you'll see options to configure the query loop block on the right-hand side panel. Here you can set various parameters such as post type, number of posts to display, and sorting criteria. Once you've finished customizing, click on Publish to make your post grid live. It's always a good idea to preview how your post grid will look after publishing. Let's improve our post grid with a Load More button. The Query Load More block plugin enhances your WordPress site by replacing the standard pagination with either a Load More button or an auto-infinite scroll. Required a Query Load More block plugin? You can find the block link in the video description. Click Add Block again, then search for the Load More block. Remember, you can add the Load More block inside the query loop block and outside the post template. After adding a Load More block, you can set up the Load More block just how you like. After configuring, preview your post grid again to ensure everything looks as expected. Test the Load More functionality to see how additional posts are loaded seamlessly. With the Load More feature, your grid improves browsing. Keep engaging your audience. Find the block link in the video description.